Test suites allow you to create a set of pre-configured tests for a specific application all at once, rather than manually creating each test individually. Just configure a few basic settings and the suite will be created with all tests up and running. In this specific release, Catchpoint provides built-in test suites for Google Cloud services like BigQuery, Spanner, Cloud Storage, and Compute Engine. In the future, additional test suites will be available for other applications and services. Each Google test suite you create will include a DNS experience monitor, ping TCP monitor, and a web object test. If you open the properties page here for an existing test suite, you'll see a majority of the settings have been pre-configured. That way, it only takes a couple of clicks to get your monitoring underway for your critical services. Now, let me run through an example of creating one of these test suites. Just go ahead and click on the new button here. This will open up the Control Center new test properties blade. Go ahead and click over to the test suite. And then from here, select one of those four services that you'd like to create a monitor for. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and select cloud storage. When you select cloud storage, you'll see a suite already created with a specific suite name, as well as the ability to configure whether or not you want this test to continuously run or only run for a period of time, and nodes that have been pre-selected from different cloud vantage points outside of Google Cloud. And then down below, you'll also see a series of alerts configured right off the bat for all three of the tests that are created. Now, you'll also notice the domain for the specific test suite has already been added here, and you don't need to edit that yourself. Scrolling down here, the only last thing that you would have to do is go ahead and drop in a user for the alert recipient. Click Save. Now, as you click Save, you'll see the new test suite that's configured. It looks very similar to an existing folder, but they do have some different properties to them. You click into the cloud storage test suite, you'll now see those three tests, starting with the DNS experience, the ping TCP, and then the web object test. One thing you may notice is that the frequency of these monitors have been pre-configured for you. So there's no need to ensure that you are leveraging best practices, keeping an eye on these critical services that you're relying on. If you use other services that you'd like test suites to support, you can let us know by creating a feature request in the Share Your Feedback section of the Resource Center here in the Help menu. Thank you for your time. I hope you have a great day.